Hi, I'm Andy at Meyer Truck. Today we'll be covering the basics of cold weather prep, so you'll be ready to take on winter's worst. Big to small, Meyer has it all. Whether you're looking for a snowplow or a work light, we have your back. It's never too late to think about winter weather, so let's get started. We offer a variety of professional grade snowplows that are specially selected for your truck and your needs. Snow is only half the battle. Tackle the ice with a material spreader. De-icing a parking lot? We have a spreader for that. Salting the roads in your city? We have a spreader for that. Equipping your truck with a snowplow and salt spreader delivers a 1-2 performance punch for controlling snow and ice. Your tires are where the rubber meets the ice. Automatic tire chains can help in the worst conditions. What makes them automatic? Just push a button on your dash and let the chains do the work. No more fumbling around in the dark with freezing hands. Lastly, make sure you have the tried and true survival box. The best defense for any emergency situation. This should contain these essentials: a small jump pack with a USB charger, a flashlight, extra batteries, first aid kit, heavy duty gloves, blanket, and flares. And this Quake LED light comes with a magnetic base and a car charger. Our staff is committed to making sure you're ready when others aren't. Come to Meyer Truck and trust that we'll have you and your truck ready for whatever winter may bring.